Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Boolean option in FreeCAD. So if you want to use Boolean, you need to create an empty file, and after that you need to go to create body, you need to click on create a sketch, and after that we need to select here XY plane. Then I click OK button, and now we can draw here a simple rectangle. So I click on this one option, I select here rectangle, and I draw here simple rectangle. After that I need to click on close button, and I need to select here pad. After that I click OK button, and I need to create here a new body. So I select here create body, I click create sketch, I select here XY plane, and I click OK button. And now again I need to go to rectangle settings, and I select here rectangle. Then I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that, and I click close button. Then I select pad, and I increase length maybe to 40, it will be better visible here. And after that I need to click OK button. Okay, so now we have here two objects. So now we need to change position of this object. So I go to model. Okay, and here I need to select this one object. So I click on body number 3, and I select transform. Then I need to change position of this object. So for example, I will select this position and maybe this position, and I click OK button. Now we need to click right mouse button on body and select here active body. And now we can use Boolean options. So I click on Boolean operation, I click on add body, and I click on this side. And here we need to select one from 3 available options. We have here fuse, the second one option is cut, and the last one option is common. Everything depends on your preferences, so I select here cut, and I click here OK button. And how you see, our Boolean operation has been successfully finished, and it really works. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.